Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable special send events notifications on Made in China B2B. So first we're going to go to the app. Then here we're going to click on my account after you guys have logged in. Then we're going to click on settings on the top right corner. Then again we're going to click on notifications. Then as you can see it's turned off, so we're going to click on the special send events. So from now on you're going to receive notifications for special send events. We also have a different video on how to disable it. You guys can check it out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.